Randy here with Retire with Options. This is week 6 of the Netflix, the TastyWorks challenge, starting with 5K. As you can see, the only position I have left right now is Netflix. Let's look at what happened last week. So, I briefly entered a QQQ trade, and I've already closed that. I actually entered an Iron Condor and actually kind of messed the trade up. I did the put side correctly, but the credit side, I got the long and the short mixed up, and it just so happened to work out in my favor. I got lucky. When we had that little run up last week, the put side profited and the credit side profited both. So I took that as an omen and went ahead and closed it and took those profits and jumped out. I also did a SPY little 3 data expiration contract, and you can see where I opened it at, and it's already expired. It expired on Friday. So if I look at my history, so the total year to dates for Netflix is $1,100 in profit. The QQs, is $301 in profit, and that little SPY trade netted me $26 for 3 days. I'm going to start doing a lot more of these. They seem to be highly profitable, and just whatever I have in my leftover after my other trades, I'm going to just use that money to trade these. So I'm kind of left with just a Netflix position right now. Oh, I closed the bottom half of that Condor and took the profit when it ran up, and I moved the strikes up. So I'm back in a Condor, but just took half profit on the bottom half. So that brings me to profit and loss for the year of $16.85. So minus fees, that leaves me $66.51. So hang on a second, I got my calculator here somewhere. So 1651 divided by 5,000 times 100 gives me 33% profit in this account for the first 6 weeks. Yeah, I'm not gonna begrudge that at all, and that's where it stands. And that's about all I've got for this week. Like and subscribe if you would like to see this continue, and we'll see you next week.